Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Loginate. And in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to send email on Gmail. So first of all, launch Gmail app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your Gmail account. Once you are logged on, at the bottom right, you'll see the option of Compose. Tap on it. Now, once you come over here, on the From category, you can choose your various emails if you have multiple accounts. Now, enter the name of the person you wish to send the email to. After this, you can also enter the email addresses of multiple people you wish to send email to. Now, enter the subject. Here we go. Now, you can compose your email. Type an email you wish to send. Once you type your email, on top you can see paper pen icon. If you tap on it, you can also attach various files like photos, take picture from your camera, files, and other folders from Drive as well. After this, if you tap on the option of Send at the top, you will successfully be able to send an email on Gmail easily. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.